like this. See a little triangle? Yeah? You do? Okay. Fold it. Take this side. You fold it like this. Like that. And then you fold it like this. And then you fold it like that. And then you cut these off. Do you get it? Thank you. Goodbye. Have a good day, Savannah.